Hi, welcome to MathHow. In this video, we will be solving math questions from the math section of 2024 to 25 SHSAT Form A test. Let's start with the first question, question number 58. Simplify minus 3.8 plus 2.3 minus into minus 1.1. First, evaluate this negative sign. This will change the sign of the number inside the bracket. So this will become minus 3.8 plus 2.3. This will become plus 1.1. Minus 3.8, 2.3 and 1.1 will become, since these are both positive, so 3.4. So minus 3.8 plus 3.4. Since the greater number has a negative sign, so the resultant will have negative sign, and the smaller number will be subtracted from the greater number since both of these numbers have opposite signs. So 3.8 subtracting 3.4 from 3.8, the answer will be 0.4. So the complete answer to this question is minus 0.4. Question number 59. Angle M and angle R are supplementary, meaning the sum of angle M and R is equal to 180 degrees. The measure of angle R is 5 times the measure of angle M. The measure of angle R is 5 times the measure of angle M. What is the measure of angle R? Substituting 5M in place of R, this will become M plus 5M equals 180 degrees. This will become 6M equals 180 degrees. Dividing by 6 on both sides, M will be equal to 30 degrees. But the question is asking for angle R. So substituting the value of M in this equation, since angle R is 5 times of what angle M is, this will become 150 degrees. This is the answer of this question. Question number 60. A juice mixture contains 3 out of 16 gallon of apple juice and 3 out of 40 gallon of cranberry juice. How many gallons of apple juice per cranberry juice? Per gallon of cranberry juice does the mixture contain? Express your answer as a decimal. Apple juice per gallon of cranberry juice. So this is the value, the amount of apple juice, 3 over 16. This word means this will be divided by the amount of cranberry juice, that is 3 over 40. This will become 3 over 16 multiplied by 40 over 3. 8 2s are 16 and 8 5s are 40. 5 over 2, and this will become in decimal form 2.5. This is the answer of this question. Question number 61. Mr. Chan's lawn grows 2 and 1 over 8 inches every 2 weeks. He mows his lawn every 2 weeks and cuts off the top 1 and 3 over 4 inches of the lawn. If Mr. Chan's lawn was 4 inches tall at the beginning of the season, how many inches tall in decimal form is Mr. Chan's lawn after 8 weeks? Total duration is 8 weeks. Now, the initial value is 4 inches. The lawn was 4 inches tall. It grows 2 and 1 over 8 inches every 2 weeks. So, how many 2 weeks are in 8 weeks? 4. So, the lawn will grow 4 times. Since it is growing, we will add this value 4 times of however it grows in 2 weeks. Subtracting the value that Mr. Chan cuts off from the top. He mows the lawn in 2 weeks, so in 8 weeks he will mow the lawn 4 times. So, and he will cut off 1 and 3 over 4 inches. So 1 and 3 over 4 inches. Converting the fractions, mixed fraction in improper fraction. This will become 17 over 8 minus 4 into, this will become 7 over 4. 4 plus 17 over 2 minus 7. So the question is asking for the answer in decimal form. So 17 over 2 will become 8.5 minus 7. 8.5 minus 7 will be 1.5 and the final answer will be 5.5 inches. So this is the height of the grass or the lawn after 8 weeks. So this is the answer of this question. Question number 62. Results from survey of 110 families. Number of children in the family and number of families. The table above shows the number of children in each of 110 families. What is the median number of children in these families? The families are ordered in from 0 children, 1 child, 2, 3 and 4. So if we were to order these families according to the number of children, it is already ordered in the table. As you can see, 45 families have no child, and after 45, meaning 46th, 47th, 48th family have one child. So total families are 110. 110 divided by 2, this will be 55. So that means the median is the 55th family. So 45 and 32 becomes, if we add these together, this will become 77. That means 55th family or 56th family lies in these number of families which have one child. So the median is 1. This is the answer of this question. Question number 63. Mr. Jones has 550 goats, which is 10% more than Mr. King has. How many more goats does Mr. Jones have than Mr. King? Mr. Jones has 550 goats. Suppose that Mr. King has X goats. Since Mr. John has 10% more, so that means 110% of what Mr. King has is 550. So now multiplying with 100 and dividing by 110 on both sides, we have 110 and 110 fives are 550. So 5 multiplied with 100 will be 500. So Mr. King has 500 goats. The question is asking how many more goats does Mr. Jones have than Mr. King. The correct answer is not option D. Subtracting 500 from 550, this will be 50. So Mr. Jones have 50 more goats. 50 more goats than Mr. King has. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 64. If 2y over x minus y over 2x equals unknown value divided by 2x and x is not equal to 0, what expression is represented by the box? The LCM will be 2x. X divides 2x when it is multiplied with 2, so 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. This will become 4y minus 2x divides 2x when it is multiplied with 1, so 1 will be multiplied with y and this will become y. 4y minus y is 3y over 2x. So the correct answer is 3y, option G. Question number 65. In the figure, PQRS is a square. Point S is the center of the circle if and the point P and R, these points P and R on the circle. So that means PS and RS are the radius of the circle. So that also means the side of the square, side length of the square is equal to the radius of the circle. If the area of the square is 4 square centimeters, the area of square is 4 centimeters squared. That means the side length will be square root of the area. This will be 2 centimeter. And the side length is equal to the radius of the circle. So radius will be 2 centimeter. What is the area in square centimeters of the shaded quarter of the circle? The formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. Since the shaded region is the quarter of the circle, so that means the total area will be divided by 4, or in simple words will be multiplied with 1 over 4. Substituting the values of the radius, the value of the radius is 2 squared. 1 over 4 pi into 2 squared will be 4. 4 will cancel out with 4 and the answer is pi. The correct answer is option B. Question number 66. A list of consecutive integers begins with m and ends with n. If n minus m, so that means the greater integer is n and the smallest integer in the list is m. When the smallest integer is subtracted from the largest integer in the list, the answer is 66. How many integers are in the list? Since the list has consecutive integers, so that means we can choose any value of m. Suppose we choose m equals 1. Substituting in this equation, n minus m equals 66, n minus 1 equals 66, adding 1 on both sides, n equals 67. Since the largest integer is 67 and the smallest integer we chose is 1, so that means the total number of integers in the list is 67. The correct answer is option H. Question number 67. Simplify this expression. Cancelling this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 13s are 39. 13 will be multiplied with both terms in this bracket. This will become 13x minus 39 plus 39 whole divided by 13. Minus 39 and plus 39 will cancel out. 13x over 13. 13 will cancel out with 13 and the answer is x. So the correct option is A. These were the first 10 question of math section of 2024 to 25 Form A SHSAT test. In the next video, we will solve the next 10 questions of this math section. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.